That stupid groundhog better see a shadow or not see a shadow, or whatever the heck he does. This is ridiculous. What is going on, everyone? And welcome to Kart 63. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick, if you didn't mind hitting a like on this video, possibly subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. Kart 63 is brought to you by Track Tack Tire Treatments and Burris Racing Tires. If you have any questions whatsoever about either one of the channel sponsors, please feel free to go ahead and ask me. Also, Beard Octane, not officially a channel sponsor, but a personal sponsor. I'm affiliate for their company, Ben 10, save some money. It's just all that stuff. If you have a beard, if you have skincare needs, if you want soaps or anything like that, cool. You're helping the channel out. You're helping me out. That'd be awesome. Okay, so I kind of, I don't want to say tease this. We were talking Thursday night on Dirt Kart Racer Live, the live stream I host at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time on Thursdays, PM that is. And I was talking about this, that karting and social media, and some of the social media sites, I guess, you have people that I follow on YouTube and Facebook. I thought that if I mentioned the ones that I watch, we could also discuss a little bit the ones you watch and what benefit that has to karting. I'm only going to use the beginning of that one. Wow. I don't know what my problem is. Hey, let's first talk about what social media can do for you. We'll leave the list of people that I kind of watch to later in the video. I think I'll do a graphic and show you, just a couple. It's not all of them. It just was what was prevalent. So social media. I think social media is a way to kind of obviously get your voice out there. When you look at the grand scheme of things, you take, NASCAR is, say, the pinnacle. I know I'm going to get a bunch of flack that, hey, we're dirt racers. It's not the same. I watch all forms of racing the best I can, and I do watch NASCAR, so I hold them up here. And then you come down and you have your late models on asphalt, your dirt late models, your sprints, micros, and then come down to us. There might be, a couple in there that that I'm missing, but we are the lowest form of racing when it comes to us driving, and that's not a derogatory term. It's just we are the base layer. People get into karting to start their careers in racing quite often. So I think that they have the huge billboard out there of TV time and networks and this and that, and big advertisements. I think that you can not completely catch them, obviously, because of the amount of dollars that are behind them, but social media kind of bridges that gap to where you can get exposure to either yourself, your kart, your race team, your sponsors, and anything that you see fit to put out there by tagging and just accentuating, sharing all this all this exposure is what's good for the goose is good for the gander. If you make yourself a known commodity, I talked about this in securing sponsorships, the couple videos I've done that. If you make yourself look, bigger than you actually are, a bigger footprint, if you will, in the racing community, if you make yourself desirable, people see that, sponsors see that, and they want to either, sponsor you, or people are willing to pay attention to you, and that gets your name even further out there. I just think that social media, although there's bad stuff out there, we all know how that it gives everybody an opinion, and opinions are like buttholes. They all stink, and we all have one. Try and G-rate that as best I can for this channel. But anyway, you do take the good with the bad in social media. Yes, you're going to have opinions. Yes, you're going to have, detractors and, haters and this and that come in and give you crap. I think that social media really can be utilized, like I said, to make yourself even bigger. When you get on, you get on your Facebook page or your Instagram, X, TikTok, anything like that, if you're making videos, if you're bringing attention to yourself, you're not only accentuating yourself, but you're accentuating the sport. The more attention the sport can get, the better it is for kind of everybody. If you're say you're a business, I absolutely love this about like JC Specialties or any Phantom, other companies. I don't mean to leave people out, But when they have a sale going on, 10%, 15%, if they have buy one, get one free, free shipping, blah, 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 using social media to the extent to get your name out there. And then that, again, turns into, hey, I follow Phantom. I see that they're having a great sale here. I'm going to share that. This can be utilized from, from a company to a person. I just think sometimes it's underutilized. Like, people think that they don't have a voice or people don't want to watch. This is not true. As far as, the world that I kind of live in, yes, I use, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, blah, 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 as kind of a springboard to it. YouTube is my go-to. Doing these videos, obviously, are a big thing, but I love watching racing videos. I love vlog videos when you come into racing. A couple of them I'll mention are Super Duper South, Tatum, I believe his last name is, and Degenerate Garage. Somebody had mentioned those in a post before, and I absolutely love that. I love that vlog style. As a matter of fact, somebody had mentioned in a live stream that they would like to see me do some vlog stuff. We'll see. It's really weird dynamic that I have, that I'm not afraid to put myself out there, but I am also not somebody who hey, pay attention to me. I have to bridge that gap as well. But if you have a GoPro, if you have somebody shooting the races for you, create a YouTube channel. Use that as a platform to, again, expand your footprint. You're gonna get views on that, and it's something to share. If you get on, do something like shorts or reels or TikToks or whatever, break them up. They have different formats that you can cut the video up and make it exciting and do these different things. I just think that I'm seeing a lot more of it, and I kind of want to give it a push. Keep going. I think that smaller teams, or if you want to bring attention to your small track that you think is absolutely amazing, do some footage of it, put it out there, get it out on Facebook or whatever, on YouTube, and show these videos, show people your little, piece of paradise on this earth, which is the dirt track, where you race, what you want to do. I think this all kind of comes together. It's all better for the sport in general. I wanted to kind of put it out there. Like, I know I've been there. Before I started, what's it called now? Benjamin Reviews, the beard related thing where I reviewed beard products. And before I started this channel, I was scared of putting myself out there. I can tell you, there's nothing to fear. I assure you, the trolls, it's people on the internet. It's stupid. It doesn't do anything, but they're not as big of a voice as you think they might be. Go ahead, put yourself out there, record yourself, do it. If you want to do that, do a vlog style. Get your cell phone out, record yourself. Hey, we're going to blah, blah, blah track. We're going to race today. We're racing this class, that class. We got the, we're running the Phantom Recon with the blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and put your sponsors out there. Make a video, try it. The more the merrier. There's nobody on the internet that has a lockstep. I think that's the term. Maybe I could be wrong. Nobody has this section of the internet locked up that you can't do this. If somebody had mentioned, I considered doing a how-to channel or something like that. I didn't want to step on my toes. No, don't ever say that. More the merrier. If you think you can, create the next Kart 63, Kart Speed Solutions does informative videos. I really like watching his stuff. There is room for you to do it. I assure you, you're not going to upset anybody unless you're copying. All of a sudden you come out and go, what is going on? If you start doing that, I might take issue with it. But in general, the more the merrier. The more we expose people outside of our sport to our sport and show them how exciting it can be, the better. Do it, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, TikTok, the X. I don't really use X all that much. I'm a voyeur when it comes to that. I just read a lot. But anyway, these are all useful platforms that can benefit not only yourself but the sport as a whole. So just a little peek behind the curtains, the way my brain thinks. That I've been doing random videos this winter dealing with the cold, but this really, I love the push for social exposure. Ultimate Kart Media. They got a live stream on Facebook. I needed to get at them guys and say you should, if you can record that, put it on YouTube as well. Try and grow a YouTube channel just so you're getting two different, viewing areas. I think if you use a certain live stream software, you can stream at the same time. And I think that would really, Ultimate Karting Media, I believe that's their name. They watch them, I think they're 7:30 on Wednesdays. And they're down in the hub. They're down in North Carolina where, a lot of the kart racing is, and they really cover a lot of different things. I think it's awesome. I really hope people, I share their stuff, or I started to share their stuff anyway, I think last week, couple weeks. I really would like to see this coming season be more for the sport. I think there are more Bens out there that can do this. There are more, Kart Speed Solutions that can do informative videos on racing. There's more to come for kart racing. I see big things on the horizon. Just knock out all that negative stuff. It doesn't build. It only detracts from what our ultimate idea is of exposure and getting more tracks on board, racing more tracks. Just kind of that stuff's there. The tire stuff, the engine stuff, the just talking, just push it aside and keep on your path, keep on the positive path. Try and grow what we love to do. It's just an opinion. But I thought it was worthwhile to make a video on it. So, okay, we got to do the new intro. How do I handle the new one, or the coming in? I have this idea of actually making like an intro video. So I'd come in with a, hey, welcome to Kart 63. Now a word from our sponsors, and then just inserting said, Kart sponsor video for people to watch. But it's going to take some time for me to put it together. I want it to be correct. So in the time being, you're going to deal with the intro and outro the way I'm doing them now. So Kart 63 is brought to you by Track Tack Tire Treatments and Burris Racing Products. Burris Racing Products? Racing Tires. It's probably one in the same. Also, Beard Octane. It's not actually brought to you, but it kind of is. Because they're always represented, because Joe is a super, super good dude and a great company to get behind. Anyway, go visit those sponsors, purchase their products, supports this guy. Everything is awesome. So it's freezing out here. I'm going inside so I can warm the paws up, and I'll see you in the next video, or maybe the live stream Thursday. All right, later.